Then we can set the site identity. From here we can create a menu which will show at the top of that site. So we will do all the menu. At the time there is no menu, we will create a menu, provide the name of the menu, and we can set the location for the menu. I will select primary and secondary menu. After that I will click on that next button. To menu I will add a pages, so we have only one page, and from here we can add pages to the menu. I will add this page. Also we can add new pages from here. I will add some dummy pages so that we can add these pages to the menu. And now we will set the layout of these pages. Now if I move the page to the slightly right of the page, it will show in the drop down of the top page. So I will set some drop down pages, and these pages will be the drop down of web development, and for app development we will have a drop down of letter. After making all the changes, we will click on that publish button to publish the menu. And now we will have the menu with the pages and drop down pages.